Hey everyone, welcome to today's quick tutorial. I'll be showing you how to turn off Facebook tracking. Facebook is tracking everything you do online, even when you're not using the app. Facebook tracks your web activity, app usage, and even what you do on other websites. It's all part of something called a Facebook activity. So here's how to stop it right now. Let's dive right in and open the Facebook app. Now open the three lines or menu above and go all the way down and tap settings and privacy. Then tap settings. Then tap see more in account center. Just scroll a little down and find your information and permissions. Then tap it. Then tap on your activity of Meta Technologies. So here we have two options. First, tap Clear Previews Activity. Then again, tap Clear. And lastly, tap Clear Previous Activity to erase what they've collected so far. Now, the second option is Manage Your Future Activity. All you have to do is tap it. Then tap Disconnect Future Activity. Then tap Continue. And finally, tap Disconnect Future Activity. So that's it. Super easy and really important. Turning off Facebook activity gives you more control over your privacy and what Facebook knows about you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to know this. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.